The surface area of this problem involves the area of one circle plus the area of the bottom circle, those are our two bases, plus the area of the side, which wraps around like a soup can label. If we tore the soup can label right down here, then we could unfurl that label and it would stretch out into a rectangle. Now its height is 11, and the length of this rectangle is the distance around the circle, which is the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. So this dimension is 2 pi times r. So we've got a circle whose radius is 5. We've got another circle whose radius is 5, and this is the formula for the area of a circle, pi r squared. And then we have a rectangle whose height is 11 and whose width or length is 10 pi. 2 pi times 5 is 10 pi. So we'll multiply 10 pi times 11. And this will be our surface area. We've got 25 pi and another 25 pi, and here we have 110 pi. Add them all up, 25 pi and 25 pi is 50 pi. 50 of them plus 110 of them is 160 pi, and that's square meters, and you can put that in your calculator if you like. 160 times pi is 582.65 square meters. I hope this little video helped.